Hello. If you are in a leadership position, you likely feel the pressure to know everything because you are the boss. Here's the thing. Nobody knows everything, and today I would like to give you a mental strategy that works really well. In school, you learned that you constantly had to demonstrate how smart you were by answering all the questions. However, this approach doesn't work in your favor in the corporate world, especially not if you are in a leadership position. If you don't want to create codependency in your team, you have to allow your team members to think for themselves. Ask questions such as, "I'm not sure, what do you think? You are the expert at what you do." Or, "What are your thoughts on this topic? As the person who does the job, I'm more interested in what you think the solution is." Let me be very clear. If people need support, you want to help them. However, many people will get so used to seeking help that they will start asking lazy questions. You want to avoid that because it is very easy for people to spot problems. But many are not used to applying critical thinking to find solutions. They prefer to be told what to do. The people on your team are smarter and more capable than you think. More often than not, they simply lack confidence. If they notice that you believe in them and their abilities, they will show you what they are really capable of doing. Remember, your job as a leader is to create leaders, not followers. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.